Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. In this channel we gonna talk about contemporary home designs and ideas. Today, we'll talk about modular kitchen ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. The evolution of the modular kitchen has succeeded in bringing about an enormous change in the way a kitchen appears. Traditional kitchens are being replaced by these sophisticated and elegant kitchen designs. The need for more space or limited space in homes and flats has contributed to the emergence of such modern kitchens. With the incorporation of stylish designs including kitchen cabinets, storage facilities and other accessories, the traditional and conventional kitchens are fast fading from the modern lifestyle. The modular kitchen is known to bring comfort and convenience to homemakers in many ways. Modular kitchen accessories fitted with pre-made cabinet parts. The modular kitchen is simply elegant with top-notch interior designs and styles. Some of the most common accessories found in these kitchens include cooker hoods. A must in every modular kitchen. The cooker hoods are useful in eliminating smoke from the kitchen caused while cooking food. Cooker hoods are a must in every modular kitchen. Cabinets. A very important accessory of the modular kitchen includes different types of cabinets. These cabinets are used for storing containers of various sizes. This helps to increase the storage facility in a kitchen. Cooking range. These cooking units can be fixed into the granite countertops. Cooking ranges are available in different sizes which include 2 burners and 4 burners. Shutters and shelves. These kitchens also include shutters and shelves. Shutters are used to store crockery items such as plates, bowls and so forth. Pull-out drawers. Drawers of these varieties are used for storing food items, utensils and spices. Besides these items, a modular kitchen also includes accessories such as dishwasher, refrigerator, oven, sink, pantry and many more. Attractive features of a modular kitchen. These modern kitchens are a solution to the limited space available in cities. Available in a number of varieties and designs, these ultra-modern kitchens can be integrated and disintegrated easily. Another attractive feature of these kitchens includes its durability. Kitchen accessories of these types last for a long period of time if bought from an authentic dealer. A huge range of colors and designs can be found among these kitchen types. It is quite easy to install these kitchen accessories as most of the fittings are ready-made. There are more than 100 ways of laying these accessories which broaden its scope of designs. The most commonly used kitchen shapes include the U-shape and the L-shape. Today a modular kitchen is fitted with innumerable accessories to make it even more sophisticated, modern and well-equipped. Accessories such as elegant fittings, sleek glasswork, trendy wooden finishes coupled with the latest gadgets. Most of the interior decorators are keen on using chic and stylish hardware such as stainless steel doorknobs, vibrant colored doors and so forth. for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a modular kitchen for your home. Thank you.